welcome back to my channel. For any of you joining along for the first time, my name is Amber. Today's video is all about a Dollar Tree spring haul. I told you guys a week ago that I would share with you guys any spring items that I get, and for the past week I've been going to a couple different Dollar Trees in my area and I've gathered up some stuff, so I'm going to share everything that I got with you guys. If it is your first time, don't forget to smash that big old red subscribe button. Join my family. I would love to have you guys over here. I do everything from cleaning motivation, shopping hauls, DIYs, planning videos, anything lifestyle based. I try to do everything. So join my family. I would love to have you guys here. Let's get right into this video and I'm gonna share everything that I got. I'm gonna start off with some of the floral items that I got. I got quite a couple different floral pieces for like some wreath DIYs, stuff like that, and mainly just like some spring based stuff. So the first thing I have was these lavenders. I got two of these, just dropped one on the floor. These were screaming spring to me. I love lavender. Purple's my favorite color. I wanted to start mixing up some more purples in, and what better time than spring? So I got two of these. And then I got two of these Easter picks. I thought this was so cute with a little egg on there, so cute. And then this one, I'm thinking I'm gonna use these for maybe like a wreath, something. They're gonna be a DIY, but I thought they were really, really cute. And they had a couple different kinds of these at the Dollar Tree that I went to. And then I got this one right here. I'm not gonna butcher this, okay? Super pretty, again with the purples. They had, I think, pinks and like creams. They had like 2 or 3 more different colors of these. I thought this was really cute as well. I'm definitely thinking a wreath for this one. And then along with this one, I also got 3 of the cattails. And they had a couple different colors of these as well, pinks, yellows. And if you guys can tell, this is like a cream off-white color. So I got 3 of these. Last of the floral, I got 4 of these onion grass. So my girl Shanti here on YouTube, she actually just did a Dollar Tree farmhouse DIY, and she had some of this onion grass, and then she redid like a flower pot. Well, I found this little like farmhouse jug type thing at Hobby Lobby on clearance for like $3. So I'm just gonna pop these in there. Thanks for the inspiration, girl. If you guys love like farmhouse DIY, stuff like that, she has a very similar channel to mine. I'm gonna link her channel down below. She's an awesome girl. Definitely go check her out if you guys want like some DIY inspiration, especially on a budget, cute Dollar Tree items as well. So that was all of the floral pieces that I got. The first things that I got was these 2 little cups. They had a couple different colors of these for like girls or boys. I thought these were really cute with the little bunnies on there. So I got, the boys were with me, so I grabbed them one of those, and I said it'll fit right into my little decor haul that I got going on. And then I grabbed some of these ribbons. I got this one, the little floral one, and then one with the eggs on it. And then the last one I got, it says Happy Easter with the purple. I know the ring light's probably like, you guys probably can't catch it. There we go. So those 3 ribbons were what I got. I've been seeing these eggs float around here on YouTube, so I had to grab me 2 of these. Also, back to my girl Shanti, she made a super cute farmhouse spring wreath with these eggs. So inspiration. I got you, girl. I'm gonna take your idea and I'm gonna make me that little spring wreath DIY that she did. Super cute, and for the quality, I don't think I've ever even seen these at the Dollar Tree before, and they look like something you would find in another store for like double the price. Gotta love the Dollar Tree. I got these window cleans. They had tons of different ones of these. Put these on the front door. I think it would be fun for the kids to put them on. I don't know if I've ever put window cleans on, but it brings me back to my childhood. My mom, every holiday, every season, we always put window cleans on the windows or the door. Then this super cute kitchen towel. I thought this was adorable. The flowers, super pretty. Just says Hello Spring. I just got one of these. Then I got me a couple little wall decor pieces. This one I thought was so cute, and it wasn't like that super cheap looking. It wasn't too out there, you know, it can kind of get like that with the Dollar Tree. And even so, what I love about these like signs and stuff like that, it's so easy to recreate and do a DIY out of these. But I thought this one was really pretty, super pretty. And then I got this one, says Some Bunny Loves You. This was a more neutral, not too like Easterish. Thought this one was cute. And this last one is adorable. This is welcome with the little bunnies, their little tails. So I had to get this one. So those were the 3 little wall sign decor pieces that I got. And now the last thing that I got, I had this in my other haul, was, now you guys will see for the spring, they have like all those organizational bins out. I just grabbed me 3 of these. They don't have gray. I'm so disappointed that I didn't grab the grays the first time. So they just had this pink one, and I got these mainly for like my crafting and my sticker books. So I just grabbed me 3 of these. These are really perfect for like organizing so many different things, and $1, you can't beat the price of these. That completes everything that I got for my Easter stuff. Like I said before, I only buy stuff that I will actually only use. I don't want to buy stuff that's just here. I'm trying to just keep it minimal and use things that I actually need. And I will be making my mom like a spring wreath, so all of this stuff will be put to use as far as like the floral pieces and any of the other like Easter crafting. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and like seeing some of the spring items that the Dollar Tree has to offer. If you are a Dollar Tree lover like me, definitely go hit up your Dollar Tree and try to find some of these items. They have so much more. This was just my preference of things. I just wanted to keep it minimal and still mix in like some spring and Easter as well. Also, let me know in the comments, when do you guys plan to decorate for Easter, or do you decorate for Easter? Like I said, I kind of keep it small. I don't go all out for Easter. Mainly Christmas and like fall is kind of when I decorate the most. So let me know. I would love to hear in the comments if you guys decorate for Easter or more so like spring themed, or do you not decorate at all? Let me know. I would love to hear. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video.